Let's make Latin tech house. First, let's set the tempo to 125 BPM and find a vocal to work with.
Ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable. Ritmo salvaje. Ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable.
Then let's add a kick from a sample pack.
Ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable.
Some claps.
Corazón.
And some shakers.
Corazón indomable. Corazón indomable. Corazón indomable.
Now let's increase the swing and add some open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. Some percussion. Some snares. Some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now let's create some trumpet chords that match with the vocals. I'll add some reverb to this and some delay. Then we need a deep rolling bass line. Let's just sidechain this. And let's create a fishbone automation to make this more interesting. Then let's add some pads. I'll sidechain this and take down both the lows and the highs. Then we need some guitars. I'll use the same chords and just fill the empty spaces. I'll take down the lows from this. And sidechain using shaper box. Now we need an offbeat piano. I'll just sidechain this. Moving on to the second half of the drum, let's add a fast moving trumpet. I'll saturate the highs of this. Take down the lows. Add some reverb. Some multiband compression. And some stereo widening. Then we just need some pads for tension. I'll just sidechain this. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the pads, the percussion, the vocals, and the shakers. And let's add a simple variation of the guitars here. At the next 4 bars, let's add the other drums except the kick. And now we need a reese bass to cover the low end. I'll use EQ to take down the highs. Then let's add these crashes to transition into the builder and add some build-up snares.
Corazón indomable, ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable.
Some rises.
Ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable. Ritmo salvaje,
And some downlifters.
corazón, corazón indomable.
I'll use this crowd noise to act as a ambience throughout the track.
Corazón indomable, ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable.
Then let's create a high pass filter on the master and automate it to thin out the buildup like this.
Corazón indomable, ritmo salvaje.
Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.
Ritmo salvaje, corazón indomable. 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 Ritmo salvaje.